Hey guys, what's up? My name is Maddie, and if you're a longtime viewer, then welcome back and thanks for joining me again. Take a moment to check out our social media links down below to join the AFI fam, and then jump back over to this tab. Y'all don't want to miss today's simple and fun project, Potpourri. The most important part about this DIY is fragrance. I mean, what good is a potpourri if it doesn't smell good, right? Other than how pretty it may look in your house, I get that. But anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, to begin, I'm going to start scenting and coloring my Epsom salts here. So what I'm going to do is add in my fragrance oil first, and I'm using AFI's white tea and ginger. Alright, now that this is nice and stirred in together, I decided let's add a little bit more fun to this DIY project, and so I'm going to grab a mica powder. Alright, I'm just going to dump this in and give it another quick stir. It's so pretty, I'm so excited. Let's be real, everything's better in pink anyway. So our next step is that we're going to take this and spread it out evenly onto a baking tray to dry overnight. So 1 second, let me grab my tray. Alrighty, I got my tray here. So I'm just going to dump this out. All right, now that this is nice and spread out, I'm gonna go ahead and put this off to the side to let it really dry and dehydrate from all the moistures, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Alrighty, wow guys, long time no see. It's like I was never even gone. Okay, but anyways, our scented and our color Epsom salts are all dry now, so now it's time to move on to the next step. Alright, now I'm going to be putting together the dry decorative bits of our potpourri. There's no limit to what kind of ingredients you can use for this part. Dried flowers, herbs, wood shavings, and even dehydrated fruit slices are also great. I really recommend using ingredients that will harmonize with your fragrance oil of choice. For my potpourri, I chose to use dried jasmine buds, red globe amaranths, and then these really neat pink wood shavings. Got my spatula here just in case I miss anything, but just kind of gonna make a taco, if you will, and just kind of shake and dump it in. Give this a little salad toss, if you will. It smells so good, and it looks so pretty. And just like that, we're already done. So I'm gonna grab our packaging container. So I chose to use this really, really pretty, aesthetically pleasing jar. Just pop it open like this. So I'm gonna slowly just kind of spoon this in. All right, I think this is about all I could put in here. I made a minimal mess, so I'm gonna set this bowl off to the side. And then I'm just gonna close it like so. And so I actually also chose to use this container as well because I find that it helps seal out any moisture, so when you don't want to use it, you're not losing any of the fragrance. And look how pretty she is. I love it. Ooh. It costs us about $4 to put this together, so we recommend that you sell it wholesale for $5 to $7 and retail for around $10. Of course, these price points are all dependent on the dried ingredients you choose to use in your potpourri, so don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients based on budget. If you like this product, we have tons more just like this for you, so check out our DIY playlist. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support what we do here in the lab. We'd love if y'all ring the bell icon to become a member of our notification squad so you don't miss any updates from AFI. As always, I'm Maddie, and we thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you guys really, really soon. Bye!